Good afternoon to you. I'm Ed Ranch with an update on the coronavirus spread statewide and here in western New York. In a live update just hours ago, Governor Cuomo took a much different tone than he has in days past. The governor is now putting a timeline out there saying in the next 2 or 3 weeks, the number of patients who need to be hospitalized because of the coronavirus could really crash the healthcare system. The governor says the state needs 30,000 more ventilators. FEMA, the governor said, has offered 400. The governor has also upped the ante, calling on the federal government to use the Federal Defense Production Act, where the government can tell private businesses to make certain products. The governor says at this point the state could need 140,000 hospital beds. 40,000 of those would be in the ICU. Right now, the governor says the spread of the coronavirus is not slowing. In fact, he says there's been a drastic increase in the rate of infection. The governor says we have exhausted every option, and that's a direct quote. The state has closed businesses, reduced crowd capacity, and increased testing, but the virus continues to spread statewide. So here are the latest numbers for you, both in New York State and around Erie County. Statewide, the total number of people tested stands now at 91,270. Almost 26,000 people have tested positive. 3,200 people are in the hospital at this point. 756 are in the state's intensive care units. Let me talk about Erie County at this point. The number of people with confirmed cases of coronavirus has now topped 100. A quarter of those cases, 25 in total, are people between the ages of 30 and 39. The governor has reiterated we need to be concerned about the vulnerable population, saying 80% of people diagnosed will self-resolve, but about 20% will need hospital.